Hello everyone, welcome back to the BPO interview tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well. So today we came up with one more concept of Six Sigma, that is GEMBA Walk. So guys, before moving to our video, I would like everyone please say, share, subscribe the channel. You can find the subscribe option there. And guys, you can also help me with the thanks. You can see that it is highlighted in the yellow color. Support me guys if I really tried my level best to help you in the interviews. So let's start our today's topic, which is on GEMBA Walk. So what is GEMBA Walk? Why GEMBA Walk is needed? What is the use of it? Why it used in Six Sigma or Lean Management? So today we will look after all these particular concepts. So without wasting our time, we'll start it. So before starting it, I hope you guys will click on like button and also share your feedback. uh, One topic we require videos in upcoming days. So here we go with the Gamba walk. So Gamba walk is a Japanese term which means the actual place. So this is a definition guys, which means the actual place. The definition of Gamba walk is to show, see how the actual process is working, understand the process and work done by the workers, ask the question from those who actually do the work, show sympathy and respect towards them. So I'll give you a general example. If you're working as a team lead, either maybe a quality training or an operation team lead, so the only work here you need to do is you just go walk through the floor, you observe the things, how the work is going on, what you can ask the questions on the process improvement. You can ask the questions if there is anything that need to be eliminated from the process which is actually impacting the performance. You can also check how the people are working. So doing this particular activity is known as Gamba walk. It is responsibility of the management and support staff to break away from their daily task and walk to the floor, identify the wasteful activity. I already explained this particular point to you guys. So here the agenda is very clear: identify the improvement opportunities and the problem. After getting all the details, the team lead need to sit with the manager to understand the things, how they can eliminate such kind of waste. So this is all about the Gamba walk definition. So we will see the checklist of for the Gamba walk. So first of all, you need to check what are you currently working on. Is there any established process for this type of work? Do you have any problem with the established work? Why there is a problem? How we can fix that particular problem? What do you do to recognize the root cause of that particular problem? How do you speak if there is a certain problem? So in this way you need to gauge the things guys, so that you can get this certain solution by end of this particular activity. At the end, the main task of Gamba work is to remove the waste, improve the performance, check if any wasteful activity is happening there in the process. This is, I guess, just want to tell you, this is something which can be done by a quality associate as well, a quality analyst as well. He can walk through the floor, he can identify the things, speak with the people. On the basis of that, he can speak with this particular quality lead, or else he can also speak with the cooperation team lead that this is happening on the process and that need to be eliminated, which is actually creating a mess, or else which is impacting the performance. So what is the key element of Gamba work? Observe, don't correct. So Gamba work basically don't give the solution. First, it is just you need to observe what is happening. Value add activities. Focus on value add activities. Eliminate the waste. Seek to understand. Innovate and improve condition tool and procedure. Check if we can implement any new thing over the process. Subtracting values. Where are you losing, like in the existing process? What is the waste that is happening due to that you are losing things? So these are the key elements. Sixth step to prepare the Gamba walk. First of all, choose the theme, which means choose the plan like on which you want to focus. Prepare plan and map for this particular walk. Prepare the team to be observed. Record the observation, share it with the team. Set a schedule and flow suit. Identify potential improvement problem. So this is all about the Gamba walk definition guys. There is no any certain uh, a document or something that need to be implemented. GEMBA work is something which is understood by a certain people, and the basis of that he need to implement it. It's up to you guys in which way you want to present this particular thing, either in a form of flow chart, either you want to present while going with some data analysis. It's up to you guys how you want to represent that particular thing. So this is all about the GEMBA walk. I hope this will help you to crack your interview, guys. Because I have seen you may get this question in the interview if you're going for quality team lead, quality analyst, or operation team lead. So you may get such question. At the last, subscribe the channel, guys, and also give me a thanks. I have shown you on my second slide. Also check out my Instagram, Facebook page, so that you can get the details about the job vacancies and everything. Take care, guys. Good luck.